Hi, I'm Maddie with Golden Valley Parks and Rec, and I'd like to welcome you back to another home wrecked video. Today we will be making banana chocolate chip muffins. These are perfect to eat for breakfast or for a snack throughout your day. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make these muffins. You'll need a stick of unsalted butter, packed brown sugar, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, salt, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, flour, 4 or 5 overly ripe bananas, and then chocolate chips. The first thing you want to do before you start mixing the ingredients is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we'll start putting the ingredients together. First thing you want to do is take your stick of butter and melt it in the microwave. Once it's melted, you're going to pour it into a large bowl. Then you're going to add 1 cup of packed brown sugar into the bowl and whisk the brown sugar and butter together until smooth. Once it's smooth, you'll add in your mashed bananas. You can add the bananas in whole, but I find it a lot easier to mix if they're mashed beforehand. Then you'll add in 2 eggs, and you'll want to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And whisk again until the eggs and the vanilla are all combined. Then you're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And try to make sure when you add these ingredients to spread them around evenly so that they can mix into the batter evenly as well. Now you're gonna wanna add in 2 cups of flour. I like to add the flour a little bit at a time and then mix, because when you add it all at the same time, it tends to be hard to stir. So keep doing this until you have added the full 2 cups of flour. And the final thing to do is add our chocolate chips. I add the chocolate chips in by look rather than a specific amount. And I'll just mix them together and stop adding them in once they are pretty evenly dispersed in the batter. All right, I think this is good. So next we'll want to add muffin tins to our muffin container. And once you've filled all of the places, you can now add your batter into each tin. I like to use a cookie scoop to do this, but you could also use a spoon as well. I'd say I ended up filling up the tins about halfway to 3/4 of the way full. Next, you'll want to put your muffins into the oven and bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown and look completely done on the top, meaning no, you can't see any batter. You could also insert a toothpick or a fork into the muffins to see if any batter comes off on it, and if it's clean, then they're ready. I ended up cooking mine for about 17 minutes. Thank you for tuning in to this week's homework video, and I hope you enjoy making your banana chocolate chip muffins.